Tripura has witnessed multiple political transitions over the decades, with power shifting between the left front, the BJP-led alliance and TIPRA Motha. Yet beneath the high-decibel political churn, the ground reality for the indigenous Tiprasa communities living in their own native motherland remains starkly stagnant. Despite hundreds of crores allocated for state tribal welfare department annually, marginal families are asking crucial questions. Where is the development money actually going?
Yang pakai dok kita, orang tujuan pakai kita kunungnya. Pakai yang pakai. Bah, orang kos toke pakai nora.
In numerous far-flung villages surrounded by hills and dense forests, daily life is a grim struggle for survival. For a vast majority of indigenous tribal families, the primary means of livelihood have not evolved in generations. They remain entirely dependent on collecting bamboo and gathering firewood from the forest. Harvesting minor forest resources to sell for nominal prices, daily wage labor and many as such, modern education, steady employment, quality healthcare and sustainable income opportunities remain a distant luxury for these families, far removed from administrative claims of progress. Official records consistently highlight massive budgetary allocations through state tribal welfare department meant to uplift the socio-economic status of the indigenous population. However, a massive gap exists between paper allocations and ground reality, prompting residents to question the transparency of these expenditures. Speaking from Ambasa, local residents expressed their grievances to the media.
Bol ke mana roke enggak boron simi tanah itu?
Oh, belum hak tung sih.
Hak tung simi.
Tanya hol ma peliu.
Acha norok o jaga o ke bo kuno kichu norok jogonat bisine hoite norok kuno health rok me ada.
Aro mayu mai phono ta oke maya kona.
Acha. Inke norok josok haksal phayo bahai noni porichrom rok mane onek kosto bahai jongjal rok nong misala.
Wah, kosto le sanan si kau krui. Ada yang phono bo ba kosto makheu na.
Norok mo thane bo jaga phalnai
Bazarwa.
busuke phal norok.
Bo posawa 100 khebe. Ro 3 posa ni bu 300 ni dal. Rang 300 ni bo.
Acha. Norok ki engko ambasa bazar simida phal nate onno jaga wo.
Ambasa bazar simino.
Busuke phal.
Posawa 100 o ter 12 khan chilio 100 টাকা khebe.
Inke norok ni o phalai gane mo chocholi nongni samsar rok.
Are no chole ma to ha.
Government changes, political party changes, but will the lives of poor indigenous Tiprasa will ever change? Reporter Manis from Ambasa, Chini, Khorang.